I'm Jen Keenan, and these are the building blocks of real estate. Okay, you're out house hunting or you're at an open house. This day and age, we have Alexas, we have Google Homes. The sellers sometimes might be listening. So you need to be very careful about what you're saying when you're touring properties, whether you're at an open house or at a private showing. Now, there should be disclosures if there's audio or video recordings, but I've been in situations where there isn't anything posted and we found out later that there was a recording. So just keep your conversations to a minimum. You would never want to say anything disparaging about a home to potentially make a seller not want to work with you, nor would you want to say something that would diminish your negotiating power if you get to the writing an offer stage. So think about that the next time you're house hunting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
We have to stop. You're out of battery.
Oh, really?